Hello, welcome to another video on Tech Caleb channel, and on this episode we will be learning what we call the align. We are going to be using some options in the alignment ribbon, and like I said in the other video, we learned how to create a table and how to add some background colors and how to edit some fonts here. And you can see that we've already done that. So those that cannot do it, you can watch it in the other video. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bar. Tech Caleb, make sure you subscribe to Tech Caleb, like and share my videos. Okay, so let's get started. So before we get started, we are going to be using like I said, the alignment ribbon. You have what you call the center alignment, the left alignment, the right alignment, and justify and all this stuff. And to have what you call the wrap text, the merge and center. Okay, fine. So what we're doing is that first of all, let's see whether we can merge and center this cell. So okay, fine. Okay, now the merge and center allows you to create multiple columns. For example, it makes your work to be in the center of the cell. So let's try that. You can see that it has moved to the center. Let's try this again. You can see that all the texts are moved to the center of the cell. And also, when we talk of wrap text allows you to have double lines of space in a cell. So let's see how our wrap text will be here. You see that it has given us double lines. Okay, I think because the cell is not long enough, so I'm coming. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, fine. Okay, let's make it a little bit short here. Okay, so you can see that we have some double lines here. Wow, I think it's still okay. Fine. Okay, this is it. Okay, we have what this. Okay, fine. You see that we now have double space in here. Okay, fine. See how it works. This is how the wrap text works, and that is simple. So today, viewers, this alignment ribbon helps you to do functions such as like this, and it's very simple. You don't need to stress yourself. You only have to practice. Like I said, practice makes man perfect. But before that, in our next video, we'll be learning how to use the number ribbon, how to use the currency percentages, and the functions here that we'll be learning some properties over there. And don't forget to hit on the notification button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. See you in the next